my God.
That's bad.
That looks like...
Melted death?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's what happens when you run red dye.
Is it?
I don't know.
And have you?
I'm imagining that's what it would look like. I don't. I haven't. I thought about it. A few times.
How are we doing, Wilson?
Tearing apart head, replacing valve seals that look like these.
And all the injector seals.
Injector seals.
Basically all the seals in the top of the motor.
Anything that might leak, could leak, is leaking.
It has been leaking,
Has
yeah.
been leaking. Yes.
So we made some specialty tools and we've jury-rigged a few things. We've done a couple of valves so far. The exhaust valves aren't bad. The intake valves are, well, so far these two intake valves were very bad. We'll see if that trend continues as we go down the motor. Twice now the exhaust has been gummed up in the valve seat. But that's, like I said, both on this motor, on this.
Burning oil on the exhaust side and
Letting it
coolant in on
on the intake or something.
intake.
Well, not coolant. That wouldn't be what all that was on the valve stem, was it? It looked like oil.
I don't know. It's leaking coolant on that side.
In case anyone wants to know, the green ones are the exhaust, the non-green ones are the intake. It was very hard to find anything that told us that. Hammer?
Yeah. Buzz wheel these ones too, or just the...
I don't think so. I mean, what do you think? There's not any buildup on them.
I don't think so.
Yeah, that's just coloration, which, whatever.
Yeah.
No need to do anything with that. You know how I know these are better? So the other ones, as soon as they fell right through. These are sticking. Well, you know what? We'll just do the one we did last. We'll go with that. I know it works for this one. Oh, we're lifting the head.
Yeah. You want to try and get both with that one?
No, it doesn't line up. I didn't do it right. And it tends to bend it. So you want to lift it? You want to go that way?
If you just tilt it
Okay.
on the exhaust end.
Sure. I mean, we've already leaked everywhere we're going to leak. So. All right, you ready? All right, that should be plenty. Oh, you're good. It just started to bend it. All right, ready? Boom. How's that one look? About the same?
Actually, looking, they're getting cleaner.
Well, I mean, that number one cylinder was the one we had
The most leaking.
well, we had the head gasket.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. The front and the back of the gasket.
Ugh, we got garbage underneath the seal again.
The front and the back of the gasket's the worst. The
Yeah.
middle doesn't look terrible.
Ready? Ugh. God, my thumb is killing me now. Shit. I need that guy. The spring moved on me.
I feel like they screwed me and they were supposed to give me one big one and they gave me a small one. One of these isn't doing it.
Oh man, yeah, they just slide so freely. It's all loosey goosey. Hot dog down the hallway here. So yeah, oh wow,
Oh god.
yeah. So she's definitely got a bunch of crap on the intake side. I think it's probably from oil leaking down these valve seats, to tell you the truth. All right, but yes, that's what I'm going to be doing is a bunch of this. It's very repetitive, same thing over and over again. But I'm going to hand you over to Mr. Wilson. And you can watch what he's doing, because that's at least something you haven't seen. Oh yeah, you got to put them on the... Be careful of that thing, I'll get you. Alright, so it's the next day. No one showed up last night and finished this for us. I'm pretty disappointed by that. It might be in the drawer. Or it might be that white one right there. Wilson's over there looking for an iPhone charger because, you know, who doesn't plug their phone in at night? You might have to make sure that that's actually plugged into something. So yeah, it's a disaster. So today we need to clean up the bottom of this bad boy. First, we need to continue on with the valves, which you've seen. So I'm not going to keep showing you that because I mean, I don't even want to watch me do it. And then we got to put the injectors back in. We'll probably turn it back on for that. And then put all the new seals on the gaskets and all this stuff on, and then clean the top of the motor. What else before we put the head on?
That's it.
That's it. Then we put the head on, and then after that we got some other stuff, and we'll check in and figure out that. But that's the plan. So we'll check you guys out here in a little bit. All right. So we got all the valves done. Everything's good there. You're finishing up the injectors, and we're gonna start putting those back in. Which injector's which?
First one.
Down there. All right. So the injectors have these new copper gaskets on them, which we're gonna have to seat down into place. And then we also want to make sure that this hole right here is going to line up for our injector. So boom. Boom. And so on and so forth. Now these stick out through the bottom, don't they? We cleaned the bottom of this already? No.
Mostly. I don't know.
Did you hit it with the big one?
No.
Well, then the answer's no. So, crap.
Come on. Oh. Yeah. You got the torque.
Click.
We preset
44.
44 inch-pounds, and then
11 foot
fuel
pounds.
tubes are 11 foot-pounds.
Yep.
We're doing a final torque on the injectors.
At 89.
Yes.
Click. Click. All right.
Okay. Now all this can go back on.
Yeah, now we can actually put this on. What's the torque on these?
I didn't look those up.
You didn't look that part up?
No. It's It's confusing. The air intake housing unit is held together by a series of bolts. Torque these bolts to 18 foot-pounds.
Okay.
The intake manifold bolts of this particular engine should be torqued to 35. So is 18 or 35?
I'd say these are 35
That
and
makes
these
sense.
are 18.
That's what I'm going with.
All right, so set that to 18. That's it, huh? Everything's done on this?
Mm-hmm.
Shoo dang! That only took forever.
Yeah, and then we got to clean up this surface because it gets the rubber gasket.
Yeah, but I figured that one would be good to do once it's on the bar.
thing. Yeah. That's nice. My hood stays open by itself.
That is nice. You didn't show them that. We didn't film that.
Yeah, we didn't film that. We got some new shocks on there. So we don't have to worry about that falling on our heads like last time. It was only $15. I'm just cheap.